it's djcaseuk, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing how to duplicate the MIDI track. This is a technique which is used for layering sounds. So if you've made a melody, like a bass melody, you could layer it with a different sound so that you get a more complete sound. So I've got a tune here which has got not really a bass noise, but it's kind of got a lot of mid-range, and what I want to do is layer it with a sub bass to give it a more complete sound. So just play it on its own. So yeah, that's the melody I've got. And basically what I want to do is have this part with a sub bass underneath it. So just play this on its own. So that's the melody I've got. And so it's quite easy then. Just right click on the MIDI track that you want to duplicate, click duplicate. And at the minute these are both set to synth 2 because I've duplicated them, and what I'm going to do is change this one to a new synth. So I'm going to insert new synth, and I've got a bass sound which sub bass which I've made on Massive. So I'm just going to find that now. I use that one. So this is a sub bass which I've put. So now it's going to play the sound which I had before and the sub bass layered underneath it. So just hear those together. So yeah, that's sort of layering the bass. So I'm just going to play the full track.
Care for a slice, Gromit? Well, feast your senses on stinking cheese. That's it, cheese.
If you found this content useful, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see on the next video. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.